So looking for that very cold air to continue to move in as we go through the night tonight. Some light snow will move in tonight. It's not significant in the amounts, but any amount could cause some issues as cold as it's going to be for tonight. So I do think there could be some areas that have travel concerns in the morning, especially along the north of I-40. And if you've been looking for a warming trend, I've got that for you as well in the 7-day forecast. Showed you this earlier. The winds have been very brisk, especially along the plateau, but we've not had precipitation falling. So it's given a chance to really dry out some of the surface roads, which is good. But notice like some of the parking lot side streets, they could still be a little on the damp side. Here are the winds. They're gusting 15 to almost 25 miles per hour in spots, so that's making it feel even colder as well. But where we've had the moisture continue to fall, notice the roads. They still have that kind of sheen to them. Maybe a few flurries falling here as well in the Gatlinburg area. So if you've seen that light moisture falling throughout the day, Knoxville eastward, watch the roads. They could definitely be on the slick side. Not a whole lot showing up on radar, but look at our temperatures. Already 15 in Jamestown, 19 in Crossville, 17 in Barberville, and 24 right now in Dandridge. The area I'm watching is right here. This batch of very light snow from Clarksville up through Radcliffe, Kentucky, that will slide our way a little bit later tonight and just clip the area, especially along and north of I-40. Let's take a look from where we are right now. I'll stop it right at about 4 a.m., and that is the very light snow. Again, not a lot with it, but it won't take much with temperatures in the teens and 20s, right? Area bridges are probably going to be the biggest thing we'll have to watch as we head into the morning. This snow may be a little more significant as we head closer to daybreak in the mountains before that tapers off early afternoon. And then lunchtime into the afternoon, we've got maybe a few cloud breaks, but it doesn't warm up. As you see, temperatures are going to be in the 20s. So not looking at much more than about a dusting to at max a half an inch in some spots. But those higher elevations of the Smokies above about 2,500 feet could see 1 to 2 inches. Above about 3,500 feet, some 2 to maybe 3 inch totals there. So not a lot, but it won't take much to cause some travel concerns in the morning. Road surface temperatures now are below freezing and will only get colder through daybreak. So that's why I say whatever falls on untreated roads could be a little dicey first thing on Thursday morning. Actual temperatures, we start out in the teens and 20s in the morning, and the winds stay brisk. So wind chill values tomorrow morning, we're going to be more like single digits to below 0 for just about everybody. Again, this doesn't have an impact on the roads. This doesn't have an impact on the pipes in your house, but it does for exposed skin that's not covered up if you're going to be out. And that's why the cold weather advisory has been issued for the areas in white. It just means it's going to feel like temperatures below 0 across the region. By the afternoon, not much of a warm up. Low to mid 20s is about the best we can do along the plateau. Some upper 20s in the Central Valley and maybe near 30 to the south. But again, not much above freezing. So if you've got snow on the ground, most areas will not see it go anywhere, which means actual temperatures even colder, single digits to teens Friday morning. Again, there could be a few slick spots on roads that haven't been cleared. A little bit of a thaw. We're above freezing Friday, and we've got some sunshine, upper 30s, which is going to be nice. If that's not warm enough for you, I've got next week, right? Mid to upper 40s through the weekend, upper 50s Monday, and Reese is going to break out the Bermuda shorts Tuesday and Wednesday with low 60s headed our way. Even though the mornings are a little cooler, it'll be finally nice to be seeing temperatures above average for this time of year. Right, Reese?
Yeah.